Autos channel 0. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Messenger Chat Add. And what you're going to say is that you're going to use the Chat Add. That is, your message is going to pop out from your screen even when you're using another apps. Okay, let's dive in. Let me show you what I'm doing, how to use the Chat Add. So now this is what you're doing. You're going to click on the that particular person. Maybe you have a important conversation with that person, so you just click on the person here. Now you can see, and this is it, and you can click on this purple and this and the person here, and click on, just go down here, and this is it. Click on this menu button here, and you click on open Chat Add, and this is it. Go to your settings. You can see Chat Add Little Talk or Messenger. Even while you are using other apps, the message, the conversation of that person is going to pop up on your phone while you're using other apps. So you go to your settings, and go and open the messenger to display over other apps. Alright, let's wait. So you can search for your messenger. Click on your messenger and you can on it. Click on over other apps. Let's go and see display over other apps. Click on allow and go back to your messenger. Okay, you can see. So click on the messenger. You can see Chat Add. Do you see? Now this is it. So guys, you can just, when this person message you, click on it. You can do anything. Message the person here, send it, look for another person you want to message, click on it and search, and just click on this, and this is it. You can do any other things. If you have a important conversation with someone on your messenger and you still wanted to do some other things on your phone, you can actually do it. Just click on the Chat Add there and just put it somewhere, and you can continue doing everything you want to do on your phone very easily. Guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.